Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Instagram to Meta Business Suite. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, if you don't have the Meta Business Suite, you can just go ahead and easily go to your Play Store or App Store and just download it. Okay, right here in the search bar, type down Meta Business. Hit on enter. And here you have the Business Suite. Just tap on install. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and update it real quick. If this is your first time using Meta Business Suite, it will ask you to log in with your Facebook account. And make sure that that Facebook account got a Facebook page in it. Okay, as you can see here, I'm already logged in. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on the Connect Instagram function right here below our profile picture. Okay, just tap on it. Now tap on Get Started. Now just tap on Connect Account. If you want to, you can allow access to Instagram messages and inbox and then get Instagram push notifications. Okay, hit on Confirm. If not, you can just turn the slider off. Okay, now you're going to want to choose an account or Instagram account. Tap on it. Now just tap on Get Started. Okay, wait for it. And here, if your specific Instagram account is not a professional account, well, it will just ask you to switch for a professional account. Just tap on Next, follow simple prompts. And here maybe blogger or digital creator. Switch, creator, next. Now it says here, just connect to Facebook page. So just go ahead and tap on login to Facebook. Okay, continue. Select a specific Facebook page and hit on connect. Just wait for it. And then once done, just go back to your Meta Business Suite. Like so, as you can see here, it's been loading. Just tap on continue. Now it says here, Instagram connected. You've linked your Facebook page to your Instagram account. Then tap on OK right here. If you want to, you could always share your post from Facebook to Instagram directly. Okay, this is basically cross posting. Just tap on confirm. OK, close this one. Okay, swipe down to refresh. And as you can see here, we have our Instagram connected. Okay, and that is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.